So those
Take those two screws out.
the screws, right?
There's another one here.
Oh,
All right.
so that is screw right there, and these two right here. So you have to. Oh, what? You have to pull that out?
Yes, hold. Pause it.
Oh, okay.
Turn off the power.
We supposed to go early,
But I was blind.
but my. What do you say?
I was blind.
Seriously? See? You got a joke though. Nice joke. Yeah. Nawala na tuloy ako. What I wanted to say? No, I forgot. You messed me up now here. Well, I don't know what to say now. Hello, good morning everyone. Oh, I cannot really see my videos right here. So I have to look over here. Okay. Yes, good morning everyone. Today is Thanksgiving Day. Right? I have to show to you how our kitchen looks like right now. Right here. Oh, always my background. What are you doing, love? What are you doing?
Doing laundry.
Doing laundry or folding your
Yeah.
clean laundry? Yes. Yeah, he's
Putting it up.
you're putting up in
My
your
briefs, I don't know where to put it.
briefs.
Then the drawer.
I know, Daddy have to put something in the drawer, but just put in your shelf in your closet right now. Okay. He's folding his own
Ow.
laundry, clean laundry clothes.
Everybody, happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, everybody, happy Thanksgiving. That's what he said. Now he's hiding. Look, there you go. Okay. This counter, all around our counter, are so messy right now. I mean, very messy right now because he's fixing our refrigerator. So how do you you took that screws out?
Remove the screws. Now you gotta take the panel out. This is called a panel. To pop it out, you gotta put a pick in there. You got my way.
Oh,
Then pop it from the.
oh, so you have to take all of those. I mean, the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Do the other side.
You have to take that out.
A few moments later.
This takes patience. Make sure you don't crack your panel. Once you get the screws out, you hear it popping. Bring it out. I'll bring it with you.
Oh, okay. I thought you.
Focus on the panel.
This,
Now you gotta disconnect those two plugs.
if you can reach it there.
Once bait. Bring the hole out.
Oh my gosh, where are you at?
And that's the fan.
So this is the problem here. So this is the fan.
Yeah.
I have to turn
what happened?
Please don't go.
It's got two rubbers for shocks, so it won't vibrate.
Get her.
This cover becomes loose in time. But you want to feel your fan, make sure it ain't hitting against this guard. If it's good, this guard here is a housing for your fans.
Oh.
This housing becomes
So-
loose.
So this is the one making noise.
Oh, this is the one that makes
Oh,
noise.
this one here making noise after that.
This is what you check for. If your fan is hitting this base, you gotta replace this whole system, this whole motor. Then if it's frozen, can't turn it, the motor shot. And it's making a lot of vibration noise because the rubber is dried out. There's two of them, one in top, one in the bottom. The rubber, to fix the casing became loose. So what I did is put zip tie, lock it in tight so it won't vibrate.
Vibrate. So that's making noise to vibrate.
Now, all refrigerator will have the system. All the different type will have the same system. This is Samsung.
Samsung. Right, yeah. So,
Once you get that nice and tight, not making a
oh,
noise.
so you are the one who put this right here?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it's already there.
That's how I fixed it. Without, if not, I have to buy this whole casing.
If it's not going to work, that
No, if this casing is broken,
the one.
because all you do is casing, this will pop out, come out this way. But the locks, what happens in time, it becomes brittle and won't lock in like it's supposed to. So just use zip ties. So make the casing hard, won't vibrate no more. And that'll save you a lot of money.
Right, I know.
This probably is going to cost around probably 50, 60 bucks just a motor.
Just motor.
And then if you take a person repairman come over here, fix it, it's going to cost you more than 60 bucks.
Oh,
$100
yeah.
just
Or
to come in the
if
house.
just get a new one, but it costs you too much.
Put it back, just go reverse.
Can I see it first right there? Before you put it, honey? What's in there?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, okay, just like that. Oh.
This is called your filter for your evaporator. That's what causes your freeze, to make your freezer become cold. What the fan does, it sucks in all the cold in, to make this area cold, and froze up.
Look at.
That's what causes your noise in the freezer.
Yeah, I know. Now putting back all together.
System's coming back on.
He's plugging it back in. So I'll see. This is to me.
Compressor when it's on, and I'll show you the temperature. Here. Compressor's on, no noise.
All right. Good job, honey. Very good job. Oh my gosh. That is so very dirty there. Oh Lord. No! What a beautiful sight behind this door. I mean this door, this refrigerator.
Did you know that you have
What? You have what?
you have a neck and you do like this?
So silly. I'm so silly. Here we go. Let
Yoink!
me give you a tour again, our kitchen. So, do you have any plan to push this back? Refrigerator still in the middle of our kitchen, and it's so messy. Need your help? Are you finished your bedroom? Cleaning bedroom? Yes.
It's 10,
Yeah.
20, 30, 50.
Yeah, we're going to Nanay's house today. Nanay said, I mean, Nanay's still wrapping the lumpia. Right up there.
That's what.
You're so silly.
That's what I do with my videos.
Say bye for right now. Help mommy to clean up, okay? We're just gonna put it all in there. You're not so those eat. Jane, this is. Alright. In the afternoon, and we are preparing because we're going to
Nana's house.
Nanay's house. Why? Why we have to go to Nanay's house, by the way?
We have to meet her.
We have to meet her.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
you
know.
said it earlier. We are going to. Oh my gosh, my
We're
hair.
gonna
My
meet her. That's what I thought.
yeah, we're going to visit Nanay. So I finally finished
The kitchen.
cleaning up the kitchen. Here we go. This a while ago it was so very messy because of the foods from the refrigerator. So it's actually now clear. It's it's Christmas here now.
Saying, we're going Thanksgiving, we're going Thanksgiving.
There you hi everyone. Yes, we are going to Nanay for Thanksgiving. And Duh. Hi, I mean, love. Where are we going?
To Nana's house.
To Nanay's house.
So smart. So beautiful.
Oh.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. That's right. Yeah, it's getting dark now. It's 4:53, and we supposed to go early, but my what do you say?
I was lying.
Seriously? You got a joke, duh. Nice joke. Yeah. Nawala na tuloy ako. What I wanted to say? No, I forgot. You messed me up now here. Well, I don't know what to say now. Phew. Yeah, it's 4:54.